In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Nordpass. Whether you're setting up your password manager for the first time or accessing your stored passwords, following these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's jump right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Nord account dashboard. You can do this by typing in my.nordaccount.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with what's known as the Account Overview page. This is essentially the control center for all your Nord services. Now on the Account Overview page, you should see an option labeled Nordpass Free. It's usually one of the main features highlighted for your convenience. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the specific section where Nordpass services are managed. Next, as you navigate this new page, you'll notice an option to set up Nordpass. Click on this to start the process of logging in or initiating a secure setup for your password management. This step is crucial if you haven't configured Nordpass on your device yet. At this point, if you're signing in for the first time, you might be prompted to provide additional information such as an email address and to set a master password. Your master password is very important because it ensures that only you can access your stored passwords. It's a good practice to create a strong, unique master password, perhaps blend a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your security. If you've previously set up Nordpass, you'll simply log in using your existing credentials, which means entering your registered email and master password. Make sure to remember your master password as it is vital for accessing Nordpass, and there aren't any shortcuts to bypass it if forgotten. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Nordpass interface. Here you'll find any saved entries and be able to add new ones or organize them according to your preferences. Setting up categories and making use of tags can help streamline your password management, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. And with that, you've completed the process of logging into Nordpass. Whether you're just starting out or managing existing accounts, having all your passwords securely stored and easily accessible can significantly ease your day-to-day online activities. Remember to log out if you're signing in on a shared or public device to keep your information secure. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Check back regularly for more guides and tips to enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.